Dropping rows from data frame based on a not-in condition. I want to drop rows from a pandas data frame when the value of the date column is in a list of dates. The following code doesn't work. I get the following error. Value error, the truth value of a series is ambiguous. Use a.empty, a.bool, a.item, a.any or a.all.
You can use pandas.dataframe.isin. Pandas.dataframe.isin will return Boolean values depending on whether each element is inside the list A or not. You then invert this with the to convert true to false and vice versa.
You can use series.ishin. While the error message suggests that all or any can be used, they are useful only when you want to reduce the result into a single Boolean value. That is however not what you are trying to do now, which is to test the membership of every values in the series against the external list, and keep the results intact, i.e., a Boolean series which will then be used to slice the original data frame. You can read more about this in the gotchas.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.